basically about like right here, just be the cab of the truck. We're going to move it this way. Push the bottom end of the tire, the wheel, forward. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're working on a 2017 F250 four-wheel drive. That seems to make a difference. We're going to eliminate the death wobble. So today we're changing Caster and Camber. We're going to give it a 2.6 positive cast. So I'll get started, get the truck jacked up, get the wheels off of it. Okay, here's your Caster and Camber bushing. What I feel like is going on here is it's almost straight up and down here. And we actually want to move this back. Or move all this back, change the angle. So it'll track different. When you let go of the steering wheel, it'll automatically want to straighten back out after turning or backing out of a parking spot. But one of the things you want to do, the first thing you want to do as soon as you're able to get underneath here, is spray it. Spray all in there. You want to start trying to break that up, separate the two. Will make it a lot easier. Let it soak. Now that we've sprayed it, we're going to let it soak. We'll end up coming back and we're going to hit on this piece here with a sledgehammer, small sledgehammer. And we'll bring the threads, this castle nut, up to the top of the thread so we don't damage the threads. And hopefully we don't have to take all this apart to get in there and knock that loose. Alright, top here, got Caster and Camber bushing underneath this castle nut. Four-wheel drive vacuum line. You do have a quarter pin on there. Got to bend and get that out of the way. Don't break it because we're going to reuse it. You're going to back this nut up to the top of your threads. In case we have to hit the top with a sledgehammer, we don't ruin the threads. Take a sledgehammer, we're going to hit the side here with a pry bar up underneath. Don't force it, you don't want to break it. Hitting the side should help jar it loose and start coming up out of there. That looks like it's starting to move. There it went. There. Alright, after looking at it, looks like there'll be a pretty big difference. The new one's 2.6 positive cast. And what I can tell on this one is 0.12 positive cast. Quite a bit of a difference. By putting this one in, should put, best way I can describe it, it's factory, basically about like right here, just be the cab of the truck. We're going to move it this way. Push the bottom end of the tire, the wheel, forward, drive it further back. Should eliminate bump steer, death wobble. There, even cleaned off. Move that up a little bit. Arrow on it says this end goes to the front. Got a flat side on the back side. Make sure it's lined up. Put the stop on the axle. Take your old one, place it on there, tap on it with a hammer, help drive it down in there. We'll use the castle on that for the rest of the way. ball joint has an Allen head. You put an Allen wrench, keep the shaft from turning while you're tightening the nut. That's tight enough. Put the card key back in, quarter pin. Again. And the back side up, or down, or both. As long as it can't fall out of there. This one's done. You can see it went all the way down, or just about all the way down. The flat side on the back side here, it's stopped, so it can't turn. Put our vacuum line back up for four-wheel drive. We're ready to put the wheels on, take it for a drive, see what's changed. Hopefully improved. Alright, I can tell there is a difference. A bump steer, nothing like it was before. The roads I drive on are bumpy, you're running at 60, 65, 70. For the bump steer, jerk you all over the place. Even my daughter asked me why I was swerving one time going down the road, and I told her, I'm not the one doing it. It's the truck and it's roads. Roads are crap. Big improvement. Now the question is, long term, is my death wobble going to come back? Video helped you out. Like, comment, share, subscribe. There's more to this to come. Thanks for watching.